Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 2. If x cos A plus y sin A equal to m and x sin A minus y cos A equal to n, then prove that x square plus y square equal to m square plus n square. M square plus n square equal to, substitute the value of m and n, which is m is x cos A plus y sin A square plus x sin A minus y cos A the whole square. Open the bracket. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is x square cos square A plus b square is y square sin square A plus 2 into x into y into sin A into cos A. Now open this bracket. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is x square x sin square A plus y square cos square A minus 2xy sin A cos A. Plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A cancel each other. In this two term, x square is common into cos square A plus sin square A. In this two term, y square is common into sin square A plus cos square A. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. So x square cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Only y square equal to x square plus y square. Sum number 3. If m equal to a sec A plus b tan A and n equal to a tan A plus b sec A, prove that m square minus n square is equals to a square minus b square. M square minus n square, substitute the value of m and n, which is a sec A plus b tan A the whole square minus a tan A plus b sec A the whole square. Open the bracket. A square sec square A plus b square tan square A plus 2ab sec A tan A minus, again open this bracket, a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a square tan square A plus b square sec square A plus 2ab sec A tan A. Okay. Plus 2ab sec A tan A minus 2ab sec A tan A cancel each other. Now here sec square A is a square minus into, here sec square A is common, so a square minus b square plus here tan square A is common, b square minus a square. Okay, taking minus sign common, minus tan square a square minus b square. Now in this two, a square minus b square is common, so a square minus b square into sec square A minus tan square A. Sec square A minus tan square A is 1, so equal to a square minus b square into 1. Hence m square minus n square is equal to a square minus b square. Sum number 4. If x equal to r sin A cos B, y equal to r sin A sin B, and z equal to r cos A, prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. X square plus y square plus z square equal to, substitute the value of x, y and z. X is r sin A cos B whole square plus y is r sin A sin B whole square plus z is r cos A whole square. Open the bracket. R square sin square A cos square B plus r square sin square A sin square B plus r square cos square A. In these two terms, r sin square A is common, so r sin square A remains cos square B plus sin square B plus r cos square A. Cos square A B plus sin square B is 1, so it remains r square into sin square A into 1 plus r square cos square A. In these two terms, r square is common into sin square A plus cos square A equal to r square. Sum number 5. If sin A plus cos A equal to m and sec A plus cosec A is equal to n, prove that n into m square minus 1 equal to 2m. n into m square minus 1. Substitute the value of m and n. N is equals to sec a plus cos a into n square. M square is sin a plus cos a the whole square minus 1. Sec a is 1 upon cos a. Cosec a is 1 upon sin a. Open the bracket. Sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. And your LCM is sin a cos a. So this multiply and divide by sin a. This term multiply and divide by cos a. We get sin a plus cos a upon sin a cos a into 1 plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel each other. We get equal to cos a plus sin a into 2 sin a cos a upon sin a cos a. Sin a cos a cancel each other, remains 2 into sin a plus cos a, which is equal to sin a plus cos a is m, so equal to 2m. Sum number 6. If x equal to r cos a cos b, y equal to r cos a sin b, and z equal to r sin a, prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. X square plus y square plus z square equal to, substitute the value of x, y and z. X is r cos a cos b square plus y is r cos a sin b the whole square plus z is r sin a square. Open the bracket, which we get equal to r square cos square a cos square b plus r square cos square a sin square b plus r square sin square a. In this two term, r square cos square a is common, so r square cos square a into remains cos square b plus sin square b plus r square sin square a. Cos square a cos plus sin square b is 1, so only r square cos square a is remaining plus r square sin square a. In this two, r square is common into r cos square a plus sin square a, which is 1, therefore equal to r square. Sum number 7. If cos a upon cos b equal to m and cos a upon sin b equal to n, show that m square plus n square into cos square b equal to n square. M square plus n square into cos square b. Substitute the value of m and n. M is cos square a upon cos square b plus n square is cos square a upon sin square b into cos square b. Denominator in LCM of denominator is sin square b into cos square b. Therefore, multiply and divide this term by sin square b, multiply and divide this term by cos square b. We get in the numerator cos square a into sin square b plus cos square a into cos square b upon cos square b into sin square b into cos square b. Cos square b cancel each other. In this two term, cos square a is common. Cos square a into sin square b plus cos square b upon sin square b. This is 1, remaining cos square a upon sin square b, which is n square. Hence, m square plus n square into cos square b is equal to n square.